If you can't break away from your business for 90 days, you aren't an entrepreneur. If your business can't meet its performance targets when you step back, then you're really not an entrepreneur. What you are is self-employed or working for someone else, right? So you need to understand that there's a difference between being a professional, self-employed, an entrepreneur, or a business owner. Let me break it down for you. A professional like a doctor or a lawyer, they perform very specific tasks for someone. A lawyer's job is literally to help people with their legal battles. That's it. Freelancers are self-employed, right? They perform all the work themselves. Think about like a freelance photographer. They contact the client, give a consultation, price it out, negotiate, take all the pictures. Maybe they have like 1 or 2 people helping them with the equipment, edit the photos, and deliver them. Now, a business owner or an entrepreneur leverage employees to do the work that they used to do, freeing up their time for higher order decisions and management. So if you're not having people help you with certain tasks and you're doing all the work yourself, ask yourself if you're really an entrepreneur or not. Follow for more education on how to build yours and grow your business.